Hey guys, okay, so we're back. Well, kind of. Hi, I'm Shelly. I am a mandala artist. I do dot mandalas, digital art mandalas, and all that stuff. And welcome to my vlog. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching. Okay, so as you can tell, I'm kind of a little haggard. It's been a busy summer. I haven't been posting on social media at all. I haven't been doing vlogs. And the reason why is because both my daughters play select soccer. And when they play select soccer, I'm just busy. I just don't have the time to be posting or anything like that. However, that does not stop me from creating. I have decided to open up a new business, which is called Moments in Motion by Shelly. And it is my videography and photography business. When I say business, I say it loosely. It's more of like a hobby at this time. Do I want it to become a full-time thing? Yeah, eventually, but it's not really right now. It's more of like me just putting a social media thing out there and then doing my thing because I'm already out there taking videos and pictures anyways, so we just did that. But I do have some exciting news. High school reached out to me about doing some promotional videos for their school because they need more soccer players. And so they reached out to me. Right now I'm kind of in the background check part of things, and so we're just waiting on that. So much has happened. I am prepping for the Oak Harbor Music Festival, which is about 2 weeks away. So we are going to be going into full crunch mode when it comes to that the next couple weeks. I also received a commission, a very important commission for someone who just recently lost a beloved pet. So she reached out to me about doing a memorial stone, so I gotta start working on that. And the kitty is an orange tabby, like an orange and white tabby, and his name is Cheeto. So I gotta start doing that. So that's probably what we're gonna be working on for right now. And then I was able to work on my market inventory list, so I have an idea of all the things that I still need to make. I have plans of making a exclusive Oak Harbor Music Festival sticker for this event, and then I'm going to be working on doing some kind of giveaway too for it. All right, let's get into it. Let's get to painting, which right now is going to be me just going through my paints and figuring out how I want to do this commission or what I want to do. So I'm going to do a few practice stones. I want to do like a pink paw, so but let's get into doing that and doing some color mixing. All right, let's go. All right, so just a quick little update because it is already 6 o'clock, so it's close to me to put away my paints and postpone this for another day. But I did want to show you my like pre-design. I know, I'm sorry, the lighting's not the best, but this is my pre-design. I don't know if you can kind of see or not, but so that's my pre-design of what I'm gonna do, and then I did another a better cat paw. Let's try and focusing on my face. Anyway, but I did another little cat paw, and then I've got my starting of my stone, and I'm probably gonna set this aside for now and start working on some editing of the photos that I took for the last tournament that my girls were both in. So I will talk to you guys this week. I'm kind of planning on blogging throughout this week, and then this will be posted this coming Monday, and it will be a surprise because I haven't said anything about it. So let's do it, and I will talk to you guys hopefully tomorrow, maybe not tomorrow, I don't know. I'll talk to you guys this weekend. Okay, see you later. Oh my gosh, okay, welcome back. Okay, so we are definitely doing a lot of painting today. I do have some displays, and you know what's funny is that I did my display. I don't know if I ever talked about this for the Ren Fair or not, but you know how I have those display boards for my stickers. So during the Ren Fair, those sticker displays, I use Velcro to attach it to the pegboard, so it's like easy off, easy on type of removal. Bad news is the Velcro adhesive was melting in direct sunlight, so I had to actually zip tie stuff. So I'm gonna pull that out eventually sometime this week and dust it off and show you what I'm talking about. But in the meantime, it is Saturday. My mom was nice enough to take my girls for the day so I can get some painting done, which I have a lot of painting to do. And you've kind of seen the beginning stages. So this is one of the memorial stones that I'm working on. I have to remember to trust the process. Every piece of artwork, don't give up on it. Trust the process and just wait and see how it all pans out. That's typically what I try to do. I have to tell you something. I haven't worn makeup in a very long time, and I decided to put makeup on for this video. Why? I don't know. Maybe I don't want to look like complete trash all the time. But we are working on acorns again because my uncle came and bought up all of my acorns. So now I have to make more. I actually had to order some more because that seems to sell a lot more than my mushrooms, which is interesting, very interesting. So we are definitely going to make sure that we do some more of the acorn bag charms, and yeah, we're gonna do that. I need to actually take out all of my stones and figure out how many I have in each tray because I don't want to make more than I actually have to. I wanted to make some more canvases, but those take a while to do, so I might not be making those. We got to make stickers. We got a whole bunch of things to do, but one thing at a time. I am going to knock out all of these acorns, or at least the beginning, start the beginning process, work on the memorial stone and start working on stuff like that. So let's get painting, shall we? little bit more progress on this memorial stone. I'm sorry, I don't know why it's blurry. Is that better? But we made some progress on it. She reached out to me via TikTok. So, and the only way you can send pictures by message is through TikTok, which is actually it's like a sticker and it's not detailed. It's actually very annoying. But I did start this and she seemed very happy with it, even though the stupid sticker does not give it anything. So, yeah, so that's what we've done. It is Sunday, so I'm still working on acorns and finishing up my commission, which I think is pretty much done. I just have to do another layer on top, and then I think this one is officially done, and I just love how it's turned out. Okay, well, not a whole lot else is going to be happening for the rest of this vlog. I also need to do some editing for this vlog, but I just want to say thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Keep creating and growing, and I will see you next week.